Okay, greetings one and all, and welcome to what has to be day number 4. Yes, day number 4 of our journey together, and it's definitely day number 4, week what? Week 2, spring 2026 of our journey together, and it's definitely a delight. It's certainly a delight to have each and every one of you here for this evening's classes. Let's begin. So let's go ahead and head up. So head up here. Today is Monday. No, today is Thursday actually. Yeah.
Thursday, 22nd.
Thursday, the 22nd of January, 2026. The subject is, of course, mathematics. And the topic is simplifying ratios with different units. So simplifying ratios with different units. So when the units are different, what do we have to do before we could simplify? If the units are different, what should we do before we start to simplify?
Make the units like?
Yes, make the units the same. Very good. So that's the first thing you have to do. And then we could go ahead and simplify it. All right, so make sure you write this down. Let me go ahead and the rest of us. Okay, good. Y'all still good at me, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Davin, the class president, is that you?
Yes, sir.
Where's Tyler? Where's Tyler?
Present.
Yeah.
Where's Tyler?
I'm right here.
Tyler, where all that hard mode? Where that is? Where that gone? I can't hear you, man.
Coming back next week.
Next
I
week.
can't hear you.
Next week. Wow.
Haha.
Wow. Wow. A lot of
Yes,
people
very
had
funny, actually.
a lot of people had a lot to say yesterday. And only one person
Hey,
came.
Logan, we can get them next time.
Ethan and
Yeah,
Logan
for real,
was,
for real.
yeah, y'all was close. That was close. So I could say good job there, but Davani came up with it. It's the second time, right? It's the second time, right, Davani?
Yes, sir.
What happened yesterday?
All right, so there will be another time. It won't be next week. We have to wait it out. All right. But it will be, you will have another opportunity. All right, so
The question is,
Mr. Pettit,
go ahead.
what happened yesterday?
Oh, yesterday, there was a selection of the class president. So Davani she became class president. We had like a Kahoot thing, exercise, and she got the most right. So, all right, so
Oh.
yeah. All right, so let's go ahead and begin. So with this one, we have 6 to 72, right? Cents. So we have $6 to 72 cents. So what we want to do is we want to go ahead and, see how we're going to do this. So we have $6 to 72 cents. So I want to simplify this, but what must I do before I simplify?
Change the $6 into cents.
Very good. I must change the $6 into cents, right? And how can I do that?
By timesing the 6 by 100.
Very good. Because what is $6? How many cents is $6?
600 cents.
600 cents. Very good. So that's the first thing we're gonna do. So we have 6 to 72, $6 to 72 cents. We cannot simplify this ratio unless we have the same units. That's the only way we could simplify this ratio, unless they have the same units. If they don't have the same units, we cannot simplify this ratio, all right? So, okay, so since that's the case, what we need to do is we need to change $6 into cents. And again, how are we gonna do this? How are we gonna change $6 into cents? What are we gonna do?
by 6 times 100.
Multiply 6 by 100. Very good. So when you multiply 6 by 100, what do you get?
600.
600.
600.
Very good. So what we do here is we say 6 times 100. And we know that 6 times 100 is going to give us what? 600 cents. So we have 600 cents to 72 cents. And how are we going to simplify that?
Divided by 75.
Divide by 75?
I mean 72, my bad.
Divide by 72? Who said that?
Ricardo.
Ricardo? Why y'all want to use such big numbers?
That won't work.
I still knew this.
Divide by 6.
Divide by 6? Yeah, 6 could go into both of them. So let's try that. Let's divide by 6. So we can divide. Well,
about 12?
I use 8. All right, I use 8. You could use 6. 6 will work. 12. I don't know if 12 will work. You have to check. Let me see if 12 will work. Let's
I'm
see.
pretty sure it could.
Let's see. 600 divided by 12. Yeah, 12 should be able to work as well. I use 8. Right. Okay, so 600 divided by 8 gives us what? 600 divided by 8.
75.
75.
75.
Yeah, and 72 divided by 8 gives us what?
9.
9. Let me just show the division of these things. We already know that 72 divided by 8 is 9 because that's like multiplication tables. But let me show the division of, let's do 8 into 600. So we have, how many times does 8 go into 600? Now we have 600. Which one is the dividend? Which one is the divisor?
8 is the divisor, 600 is the
600
dividend.
is the dividend.
Very good. 8 is the divisor, 600 is the dividend, right? So how many times does 8 go into 60?
7.
7. 8 times 7. 8 times 7 is what?
56.
56, yeah. That'll work. 60 is gonna be, we borrow from here. That becomes, when we borrow, this becomes what? This is 5. And this is 10. And then we say 10 minus 4 is, sorry, 10 minus 6 is
4.
4.
4. Very
Or
good. We bring down the 0. How many times does 8 go into 40?
5.
5 times, yeah. 8 times 5 is
they're just on screen.
8 times, say it again.
Why is the answer just on screen? 75 to 9.
Yeah, it's on the screen already.
Oh,
8, yeah, I put it there. 8 times 5. And then like magically appear. 8 times 5 is 40. I just wanted to show the working, right, Daphne? So 8 times 5 is just 40, and 40 minus 40 is 0. All right. So the answer is 75 to 9. Any questions on how we got? Wait, by the way, can we simplify this further? You have 75 to 9. Can we simplify this further?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
75 to 9.
Divide by 3.
Divide by 3. I wonder if I divided by, if I simplified it more. I probably didn't. Oh, yes, I did. So 75 divided by 3 is what?
25 to 3.
25 to 3.
25 to 3. So 75 divided by 3 is 25. And 9 divided by 3 is 3. So let me just show that, right? So let's show 75 divided by 3. So let's do that. So 3 into 75. 3 into 75, right? How many times does 3 go into 7?
2 times.
Twice.
To the end?
2.
Twice.
Twice? Twice, yeah, twice. Wait, let me move this here. Let's go twice. 3 times 2 is what?
6. 6.
Yeah. 7 minus 6 is
1.
1. Right
1.
now the 5. How many times does 3 go into 15?
5.
5
Five.
times. 5 times. 3 times 5 is
15.
15. Very good.
15.
And we do 15 minus 15. That's gonna be
0.
0. So that's how we get 3 into 75 is 25 times. So that's how we get the 25 here. And we already know that what 9 divided by 3 is 3. Now, can we simplify some more?
No, sir.
No, sir. So,
Very good. We can simplify some more. All right. So, good. Any questions on this? How we got this? How we did it? Any questions? I mean, if y'all understand this. I know.
Yes, sir,
Y'all
no
y'all
questions.
need y'all need me to do it over, y'all need me to do it over again? Or y'all- anyone who do not understand how we got this? You do not understand, let me know. Brianna? Okay, let's do it again. So we're gonna do it one more time. So we have $6.72, and we want to simplify this, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna say, okay, how many cents is $6? Right? How many cents is $6? We know that $6 is going to be 6 times 10, and 6 times 10 is 600 cents. So that's the first thing we do, right? So that's what we do. We say, okay, well, it's going to be 600 cents. And the reason why it's 600 cents is because 6 times 100 is 600, right? So we have 600 cents to 72 cents. Right? Again, 600 cents to 72 cents. The next thing that we do is we say 600 cents to 72 cents. Again, 600 cents to 72 cents. Now, what we could do is we could divide both of these by 8. So 600 divided by 8 and 72 divided by 8. And that gives us 75 to 9, right? Then we could say, okay, well, how we could do 75 and 9? Like 75 and 9, we could divide 75 by 3 and 9 by 3. 75 divided by 3 is 25, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. And so the answer is going to be 25 to 3. All right, and that's how we get that. So what I want you to do is take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp so that we can move on from this. Again, take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp. Let me go ahead and I did not send the link out, so some people might still not part of your class, so let me send it. So you're gonna receive a message from me, just the link, all right? All right, again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Definitely, please. Very good, Lakeisha. Very good, Karen. Again, take a picture. Go ahead.
Here's the bottom this.
You can. All right, very good, Quentin. Very good, Shannon. Very good, Jamari. Very good, Kalia. Thank you. Ashanti, very good. Very good. All right, so we can try change the very again. All right, good. Let me do something. 1 second. All right, so there, I don't know if it's the same thing on your end, but there's a way to hide the reactions. I don't know if y'all could see it, but on my end, I could hide it. So I don't know if I don't know if it allows you to.
Subjects are we doing today?
Say it again.
What all subjects are we doing today?
Okay, so after math, we're gonna do social studies and religious studies after math. Okay? Okay, so
What time we gonna start social studies?
right after, so like 8 o'clock.
Okay.
All right, so let me go ahead and all right, so we're done with this. So I think we're good with those ones. What I need us to do is before we get into these other ones, I want us to do conversions because we're not going to be able to do these other simplifying ratio questions if I don't teach you all conversions, right? So as the next thing we're going to do, we're going to be looking at how to convert one thing to another. Like what I mean by that, I mean like centimeters to meters and stuff like that, right? So I need to show you all how to do that. And then we can move on to the rest of the ratio problems, right? Or what I should do is let's go to the ratio word problems and then we can come back to this. So let's do that.
Word problems?
Yeah, I know, right? Unfortunately.
No word problems, please.
But this is ratios about. What do you think
I'm
ratios
all
about?
quizzed out. I don't know if I could
Honestly,
do
the
that.
reactions is annoying.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, good.
On my screen, if you change it from full to hidden, it is go away.
Yeah,
Mr. D, please can I go get my headphones?
yes, we can. Yeah. You could change it, right? Kanan?
Can you go over everything again? I
Yes,
just
sir.
find
Who's that speaking?
Reagan,
Reagan, what's the last name, Reagan?
Major.
Reagan, no problem, I could do that. So I'm gonna review what I just did, but we're going on to word problems. So, but this shouldn't be bad. Shouldn't be bad. Ratio word problems is pretty easy, actually.
No, it's not.
It is.
He's right though, you can hide them.
You can hide them, right? You can hide them.
I can.
Yeah, I can hide them as well.
Little arrow button thingy on the reactions. Once you press it, actually press reaction settings. There's something that says hidden and right there.
Okay.
Oh, I
Good. Perfect.
see it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So just I hide mine. So I think y'all should hide yours as well. All right. So. Okay. So. Cool. All right. So yeah, let's go ahead and do this, right? We find the perfect one. So, where's Reagan? Reagan Major. So Reagan, where's so all we did, Reagan, was we had this wasn't a question. The question was this one. The question was this one. So we had $6 to 72 cents. And all we did was we took $6, we multiplied by 100. That gave us 600 cents. So now we have 600 cents to 72 cents. And the reason why we did that is because we want to make sure both sides have cents on them, right? And after we do that, then we divide this first one by 8. We divide that one by 8. We divide it by 8 because 8 could go into both of them without leaving a remainder. And when we divide 600 by 8, we get 75. And when we divide 72 by 8, we get 9. But it's still not simplified as yet. We could use another number to simplify it. We chose 3. And so we do 75 divided by 3 and 9 divided by 3. And we get 25 to 3. All right, and so that's how we did that. But I can't stay long on that. I have to move on to the word problems. So let's go with example number 1. Wait, y'all can't see my screen. Let me go ahead and
Are we doing any exercises?
great exercise.
Yes, sir.
We having quizzes today. Y'all had a good break from quizzes yesterday. So
Oh man,
it's only right. Who
we
don't
couldn't
count?
get like a top 10.
Who don't count? All right, so let's go with it. This is a very simple word problem, and I believe that y'all gonna get it like, very quickly, right? So this one is about Melissa, Alex, and Renee. So Melissa, Alex, and Renee share 1,800 acres of land in the ratio 3 to 2 to 4. All right. So remember, ratio is all about order, right? So my question is, how many equal parts? How many equal parts does Melissa have?
3,
Say it again.
3.
3, very good.
Three.
Melissa has three equal parts. Okay. Next, how many equal parts does Alex have?
2.
2.
2.
Alex has 2 equal parts. Good. And how many equal parts does Renee have?
4.
Four.
Renee has 4 equal parts. All right. I'm gonna ask the question again, but I don't want to hear the same people. So someone else other than the regular. So someone who do not really answer that the class, you could answer. How many equal parts does Melissa have?
3.
3.
3.
3.
3.
3, very good.
3.
Dominic, not
3.
you. You always answer.
3.
All right. How many equal parts
Oh,
does Alex have?
2.
2.
2,
Two.
very good.
What's mass?
2. And how many equal parts? So Alex has 2.
4.
And how many equal parts does Renee have?
4.
4.
4, very good. Right? Remember, order matters. Order matters. All right. So my question is, you'll have to think for this one. Who has more of the land?
Renee.
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 Renee for sure. She has more of the land, right? Because Renee has 4 equal parts. Okay, so the question states the following. So we already have that down. So let me go ahead and erase all this. I told you our word problems are easy. Y'all didn't believe me. So
I
the
just
question.
don't like them one is be a whole paragraph.
Don't worry, we come into that.
it's not easy.
We come into
What?
that. Come into that.
So we come into that. Are you
Slowly
doing
but
quizzes
sure.
today too?
Slowly but surely. Y'all will get it. Y'all didn't realize y'all are
Oh,
very
no.
smart. Y'all are smart group.
You
Smart
know I
group.
smart, but I know.
And you're
I'm
not
smart enough
lazy.
to know I
You're
don't
not
do that.
lazy. You're not lazy.
Who
You're
said
I wasn't
that?
lazy. I just
You're
slow.
smart
Who
and you're
said
not
that?
lazy. I know
I
that.
know the answer
We
to
just work
this, Mr. Boutique. I
smarter.
know the answer to this.
All right, so go
Actually, I
ahead.
think it is.
Go ahead. Andrew.
Can't do it, please.
Where's Andrew? Andrew, are you there?
I'm
Actually,
here.
Andrew. Oh, never mind.
I'm here.
Go ahead and read the question. How many?
How many acres of land will Melissa receive?
Very good. So we have Melissa, Alex, Renee, share. Let me open the chat, by the way, because if you know the answer, you can put your answer in the chat. So, Adasa, read the whole question for me, please.
Example 1, Melissa, Alex, and Brene share 18,000 acres of land in the ratio of 3 to 4 to 3 to 2 to 4. A, how many acres of land will Melissa receive?
Very good. How many persons know how to do this?
I
think
guess you're the.
I do.
Guessing you're
I
dividing
can do it.
18,000.
I
1800 by
just say
Okay,
how
one
I
at a time. Let me Alphonique, she is speaking, so let me hear from her.
I'm
Go ahead.
guessing that you divide 1800 by 3 to find out.
Okay, you divide 1800 by 3. Okay, that's a good try.
I know a
Go-
different way.
Go ahead, Logan.
You add 3, 2, and 4,
Mhm,
and then you divide 1800 by that,
mhm.
and that's how much each share is. And
Okay,
then you
Yeah, that's the way I
divide
do
share
too.
I agree.
okay, you
share
agree?
4 plus each of that share.
Very good. So y'all are on the right track. So the first thing we have to do is we have to add all of the equal parts, right? So that's what we have to do. We have to add all of the equal parts. So we have to add them. So when we add 3 plus 2 and 4, what we get? When you
9.
add, when you add 3, 2, and 4, what you get?
9.
9. Very good. So let me go ahead and show that. So when you add 3, 2, and 4, you get 9. But the thing is that, let me go ahead and show that. So the first thing we do, the first order of business, is that we're going to take 3, 2, and 4, and we're going to add them, right? So 3 plus 2 plus 4 is, y'all could still hear me, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 4 is 9, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. So what are we gonna do with the 9?
Divided by 1800.
Right.
Very good.
1800.
Divided by 1800 or 1800, right? So that's how we're gonna find how many acres of land. Well, no, that's how we're gonna find one equal part. So one equal part, so that's the first thing. One equal part is going to be 1800 divided by 3 plus 2 plus 4. All right. And what is 3 plus 2 plus 4? I already said that. So one equal part, so let's go ahead and write this down. So one equal part is going to be equal to 1800 divided by 9. Okay. Divided by 9. All right. So what is 1800 divided by 9?
200.
What is it?
200.
200. 200. That's what y'all get. 200.
I also got 200.
So the answer here is 200 acres. That's one equal part. So 200 acres is one equal part. But that's just one equal part. That's not how many will Melissa receive, right? So the question is, we already know that, by the way, let me show you all how we got the 200. Something maybe, Miss Petit, how you get the 200? That's fine. Let me show you all how we did it. So what we did here is that we said, okay. We said 1800 divided by 9. So 9 into, so say 9 into 1800. How many times is 9 going to 18? 2 times. 9 times 2 is 18. Put the 18 there. 18 minus 18 is 0.
0.
Bring down the 0. 9 goes into 0 how many times? 0 times. 9 times 0 is
0.
0. Very good. 0 minus 0 is 0. We bring down the 0.
0.
How many times is 9 going to 0? 0 times. So 0 minus 0 is going to be 0 and 0. Right, that's how we got 200, right? So we got 200 by dividing 1800 by 9. But we're not done. All we did was we found out was one equal part. What we need to figure out is we need to figure out how many will Melissa receive. Not just what one equal part is, but how much will, or how many will Melissa receive. So how many equal parts is Melissa? Melissa accounts for how many equal parts?
3.
Melissa,
3.
Melissa, if we go to Melissa,
3.
Melissa, very good. Melissa is the first one. So Melissa is going to be number 3, because that's the first one, right? Remember we said it's in order, right? So Melissa is the third one. So that's gonna be China. Where's China? Where's China?
I heard you.
Were you here for yesterday too? Or you left? And you didn't. What place you come?
I forget.
Forget. How that happen?
I get like 3 wrong, so it's just dropping.
He just was like, I got you. I got you. All right. All right. So, okay. So we want Melissa share, right? So Melissa share is gonna be what? 3 multiplied by 200. All right. And what is 3 multiplied by 200?
600.
That'll be 600, very good. That'll be 600. So that's gonna be Melissa's share. So Melissa's share is 3 times 200, which gives us 600. So let me go ahead and actually write that down here. So we have
600 acres of land?
who needed?
That's a lot of land.
That is a lot of land. What do you mean who needed? That's like saying who needs money. Like, you gotta try hard, keep that land. If you don't need it, you leave it for your generations. All right, so 200 divided by 3. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 0 is 0. And 3 times 2 is 6. So how many acres of land will Melissa receive?
600.
She will receive 600 acres of land. All right. So step by step, what did we do? Right. The first thing we did is we found what is one equal part. Right. So that is by taking 1,800 divided by the sum of the number of equal parts. Once we divide those two, 1,800, once we divide it by 9, we get 200, right? And we say 3 times 200, and I give us 600. And so that's our final answer there, 600, right? So 600 acres is Melissa's share. All right, good. Any questions so far before we move on to the next question?
Can you explain that again, please?
All right, so the first thing we did is we had defined what is one equal part. One equal part, we take the 1,800 because that is the total that is shared among them, right? 1,800. So we have to take that 1,800 and divide it by the sum of these, the sum of the 3 plus 2 and 4. So we add them, right? When we add 3 plus 2 plus 4, we get 9. And so we say 1,800 divided by 9, and that gives us 200. All right, so that's how we end up doing that. All right, so good. So now let's move on to
Good night, Edger.
That's Andisha.
Yes, sir.
All right, good, no problem. So for this one, we have part B, right? So for part B, we have how many acres of land will Alex receive? All right, so that's the question. How many acres of land will Alex receive? So my question is, okay, go ahead. If you all want to try, how many acres will Alex get?
Hold on.
400.
400
acres.
400? Why you say 400? How did you get 400?
200 times 2
You
is
multiply
because the equal part is
200.
200. So
Okay, one at a time, one at a time. Go ahead, Antonio.
2 times 200.
2 times 200. Why did y'all use 2 times 200? Why did y'all say that?
because Alex has 2 equal parts.
Mm-hmm.
And the equal parts equal 200 acres.
Very good. That's a very good idea. So remember, now this is first things first. How many equal parts is allotted for Alex?
2.
How many equal parts is allotted for Alex? So let's go to Alex. Let me go to Alex, right? Remember, it is respectively. So that means that it's in order. So that means that Alex accounts for how many equal parts? 2 equal parts, right? So if Alex has 2 equal parts, this is very simple, right? If Alex has 2 equal parts, and we know that 1 equal part is 200, then what is going to be 2 equal parts?
400.
400, very good. Again, if Alex has 2 equal parts, and we know that 1 equal part is 200 acres, then, sorry, if Alex has 2 equal parts, and we know that 1 equal part is 200, then 2 equal parts has to be 400, which is 2 times 200. So let's go ahead and show the work, okay? So, our drawings, and let's go ahead and show the work in right now. So it's going to be Alex share. Alex share. Let me go ahead and share my screen back again. So Alex share is going to be 2 times 2 times 200, which is 400. Let's do part C. So for part C, I want Renee's share. That's what I want for part C. So part C says, how many acres of land will Renee receive?
800.
800, how do you get 800?
4 times 200.
4 times 200. Why use 4? Why use 4?
Because that's the ratio.
That's the number of equal parts of who? That's the number of equal parts of who?
Yes, sir.
Of who? How many? 4 is the number of equal parts for who?
Renee.
For who?
Renee.
Renee, very good. Very good. So we have, remember, if you look carefully at it, Renee accounts for 4 equal parts. She has to get 4 equal parts. So if Renee gets 4 equal parts, and we know that 1 equal part is 200, right? How many shares of land will Renee receive? We know that she gets 4 equal parts, and 1 equal part is 200. So how many equal parts will Renee receive? Or how many acres of land will she receive?
200 times 400.
200 times 400?
I'm just spitballing.
Think about it, Quentin.
200 times 4.
200 times 4. Where's Quentin? Where's Quentin?
Sure.
I'm sure you could be able to get it. How many equal parts is for Brene? She's the
4.
last person. She has 4 equal parts, right? Let me ask you this one more time. How many equal parts is for Brene?
4.
4. How much is 1 equal part?
200.
Good. So if we want to find how many acres does Brene have, what we have to do?
200 times 4.
200 times 4.
Quentin, what do we have to do?
200 times 4.
200 times 4. Very good. Thank you also for sharing. So 200 times 4. So that's how we're going to get Renee's share, right? So it's going to be so Renee's share is going to be equal to 4 multiplied by 200. And what is 4 multiplied by 200? We get what?
800.
800 acres.
800.
800 acres. Very good. All right. All right. Any questions on how we got this?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
All right. So, Andisha, do you understand this? Or no? Andisha.
I understand it.
Okay. All right. So take a picture of this and send them via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of this and send them via WhatsApp, and then we can move on to the next example. I need everyone to do it for me, please. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Andre Forbes,
Yes, sir.
have you sent in your work as yet?
I'm gonna send it now.
Okay, are you writing this down?
Yes, sir. I read everything now.
That's good. And Anthony, where's Anthony? Anthony, Let's see. Yeah. Anthony, can you hear me?
Mr. Petit,
Go ahead.
can you go back to the first page, if I had to screenshot it to write it down, please?
The first one. So the first one that we did was on it was like a review of yesterday. So we just
So I
simplified
really
it.
don't,
Say it again.
so I really don't need to write it down.
No, I'm saying you can, but it's a review of yesterday. So
They said it.
no problem. This is yesterday. This is what we did the first slide.
Okay. Thank you.
Well,
Um,
all right, so all right, good. Very good. All right, so very good, Cleveland. Very good, Brianna. Very good, Renee. Very good, Latavia and Karen. All right, so let's do another one. So good. So it's gonna be example number 2. So example number 2. Very similar to the first example, so y'all should be able to help me with this. So the first thing says that we have the following. Go ahead. Sharonique, read the first sentence to me, please.
Jaden, Trinity, and Ethan share $27,000 in the ratio of 3 to 2 to 4.
Very good. And Ricardo, read the first sentence to me, please.
Brandon, Trinity, and Ethan share 2,000, 200, 200,
Wait.
700.
What? Take your time.
No, I read wrong. I read wrong. Braden, Trinity, and Ethan share
27,000.
$27,000.
Dollars.
$27,000 in a ratio 3, 2, and 4.
Very good. You don't have to be shy. You don't have to be shy.
Mr. Petit,
Yes, go ahead.
can you go back so I can screenshot the last one?
Yes, I can. So this is the last thing that we did. All right.
Thank you.
No problem. Okay, so we have this, right? And this is good. But my question is, how many equal parts is allotted for Jaden? Jaden has how many equal parts?
3.
3 equal parts.
Three.
Very good. Remember, it's in order, right? It's respectively. So whenever they say respectively, it's in order. So Jaden, and then whenever we're dealing with ratio, when we have the names usually go with the order that it is, right? So Jaden has 3 equal parts. So how many equal parts is for Trinity?
2.
How many?
2.
2.
2.
2. Very good. And how many equal parts is for Ethan.
4.
4, very good. 4. Jaden, Trinity, and Ethan. Y'all ever heard those names before? Or they name sound familiar?
All of them.
All of
Trinity
them.
is my best friend's name.
All
Somebody-
of them in the
Yeah,
same class
Jaden.
as me, and two of them all of them in the same grade as me, and two of them in my class.
All right, okay.
I think I know some of them names.
You know some of them names?
Yeah, I
Ethan.
think I know one or two.
1 or 2. Oh,
I know
Ethan.
multiple Jadens and Trinities.
There's a lot of Ethans. A whole lot. I didn't realize how many Ethans there are in this world. It's a lot of Ethans. All right, so and Trinities. Oh my goodness. And Jadens. All right, so okay. So who has the most? Who will take the most money?
Ethan.
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 Ethan. How do you know Ethan will take the most money? Because of what?
He has the highest number.
He has the highest equal count.
Very good. He has the highest equal parts. All right, very good. So now let's go ahead and go step by step. So y'all should know what the first question is. You could put your answers inside the chat if you want to. The question is, how many money will Jaden receive, right? That's gonna be the first question, A. So A is, how many money will Jaden receive? So what's the first step? Whenever we're trying to figure out this, what's the first step that we're gonna do?
Add all the
Add the
ratios
ratio.
together.
Find
Very
the
good.
equal part.
Find one equal part. Very good. You could find that by adding the ratios together. So we say 3 plus what? Plus 2 plus what? Plus 4 gives us what?
9.
Gives us 9. Very good. So 9 is the total amount. What are we gonna do with that 9?
Divided by 2,000.
By 27,000.
27,000.
Divided by 27,000.
Very good. Divided by 27. Okay. Divided by 27,000. And so we're gonna say 1 equal part. So we basically find a 1 equal part, right? So we're gonna say 1 equal part. 1 equal part is equal to 1,800 divided by 3 plus 2 plus 4, right? So what we're gonna do is no, not 1,800, that's the wrong one, 27,000, okay? So 1 equal part, therefore, gonna be equal to 27,000 divided by 9. And what do I get when you do 27,000 divided by 9?
3,000. 3,000.
3,000. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So we say 9 into 9 into 27,000. How many times is 9 from the 27?
3 times.
3 times.
3 times. 9 times 3 is 27 exactly. We subtract them. 27 minus 27 is going to be 0. We bring down the 0. How many times is 9 going to 0?
0.
0 times 9 times 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. We bring down the 0. How many times is 9 going to 0?
0 times.
9 times 0 is 0 minus what? 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. We bring down to 0 again. All right. 9 into 0 is 0 times. 9 times 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 and 0. So that means that one equal part is how much money?
3,000.
3,000.
3,000.
Very good. $3,000. But how much would Jaden receive?
9,000.
9,000? I get 9,000. What did you do?
3 times 3.
So tell me.
I mean,
I get 9,000.
3 times 3,000.
3 times 3,000.
3 times.
3 times 3,000.
3 times 3,000. Okay, so let's go ahead and analyze that, right? So we say, Jaden is going to get 3 times 3,000. What is 3 times 3,000? That's what?
9,000.
9,000. Very good. 9,000. So let's go ahead and show that, right? So we're gonna say, okay, where's my, this is right? No, I don't want to use this. That is gonna be this, boom, boom. So we say 3,000. Let me use another color. Say green. So let's go ahead and do the multiplication. 3,000 multiplied by 3. So again, 3,000 multiplied by 3. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 3 is 9. So it's 9,000. That is Jaden's share. Any questions on Jaden's share? Let me know, please. If you have any questions on Jaden's share?
Yes, sir.
No? All right. So now my next question is the Trinity, right? So how many,
6,000.
how much money would Trinity receive?
6,000.
6,000.
6,000. So let's go ahead and do that, right? So that's B. So B is how much money would Trinity receive? And y'all are telling me 6,000. So how we get that? So Trinity's share is going to be what?
2.
How many equal parts is Trinity?
2 equal parts.
2 equal parts. Very good. So if we look carefully, right, we would see that, let's go ahead and zoom in. So if we look carefully, we'll see that Trinity accounts for 2 equal parts, right? She accounts for 2 equal parts. So that means in order for us to figure, and we know that 1 equal part is 3,000. So basically 3,000 twice. So 2 times 3,000, y'all telling me that is 6,000, right?
That is correct.
Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
So Trinity share is 2 times $3,000, which is $6,000. Good. For the last one, do not say it out loud. Put your answers inside the chat. How much money do you think Ethan will receive? For the last one, put your answers inside the chat. How much money do you think Ethan will get?
Excuse me,
The chat
the chat
disabled.
is disabled.
Disabled.
The chat is disabled. Okay, thank you. All right, how about now? Post inside the chat how much money will Ethan receive? The chat inside the chat. So how much money? How much money will Ethan receive?
Hello.
All right. So let's see. Okay, all y'all pretty much saying the same thing. Y'all can tell me what y'all got.
$12,000.
12,000. 12,000.
12,000.
12,000. 12,000. 12,000. Very good. So how do we get 12,000?
3,000
Multiply
times
3,000 times 4.
Multiply 3,000 by what?
4.
By
4.
4. By 4. Why are we using 4?
because there are
That's
4 equal
Ethan's share.
parts.
Because that's Ethan's share, right? So 4 is equal to Ethan's share. So basically we know that Ethan, we know that Ethan, that's Ethan got 4 equal parts, didn't he? Right? So Ethan's share is going to be 4 equal parts. And so that means, but we know that 1 equal part is 3,000, right? So that means that 4 times 3,000 gives us 12,000. And that is our answer. Yeah. All right.
You could also recheck your answer by adding up all the shares and
Ah.
seeing if it make up to 27,000.
That is also true. So 12,000 plus 6,000 plus 9,000 is equal to 27,000. Very good. Very good observation. All right. What I want y'all to do is take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Good. Very good. Brene, thank you. Very good. Marvin, very good, Marvin. Very good, Antoine. Very good, Christian Line. Very good, Reagan Joseph. Very good, Reagan Major. Very good, Brian. Alphonic, very good. Jed, very good. Sharon. Sharonique, very good, Sharonique. Someone send me something and I do not have their number saved. Oh, that is his name, Ethan Finley. I have to save a number. I have to save a number. All right. Good. Very good, Kevinique and Renique Wood. Good. All right, so Deshaun, we're doing ratios. The topic is ratios. Deshaun. Ratios. All right, so Let's see. Yeah. All right, good. All right, so we did 2 examples of this. I think y'all are very solid with this so far. I'm not gonna give y'all another one. So what we could do is we're gonna do a few quizzes, all right? I know y'all couldn't wait, so I'm not gonna keep y'all waiting. All right. All right, so once you've started the quiz, put started inside the chat again. Once you started the quiz, put started inside the chat. All the best, everyone. Again, once you start the quiz, please put started inside the chat. All the very best. So for this quiz, let me see how much you have to get. Let me see how much is out of. So this quiz is out of. Oh, it's out of. I don't know, 2, 4, 6, 7. It's out of 10.
Mr. Petit,
Go ahead.
for the questions, do you want us to simplify them or no?
They would, yes, simplify it. In simplest form, yes.
Okay.
In simplest form. But more than likely, it's not needed because it's like already like that. All right, so let me put the quiz inside the chat one more time for y'all. This is, y'all should do well on this, I think. No, I believe so. I really believe so. Y'all should be finished, right? I don't think that's a hard quiz. Straightforward quiz.
The
All right, so let me check the grades. Let me see how y'all did with them. Very good. Yeah, most people are done. Very good, Logan. Very good. Logan, you're always the first one. I could give you that. You're always the first one to send in your work. I could give you that.
So Petit, you said to simplify it.
Yeah, simplify it if it needs to be simplified, but if it needs to. All right, so let me go ahead and send the second quiz for you all since y'all finished up. How many persons got 10 out of 10? Oh wow.
I did.
Yeah.
I did.
Wow. There was a streak where literally no one got. Wow.
Just count them.
Wow. I don't know if I've had that streak. That's like a good solid streak. You know, obviously a streak is meant to
That's
be
because you
broken.
didn't jinx it.
Yeah, that's because I didn't drink it. You're right. All right, so let's do another one.
You're gonna jinx it.
Now after that, I'm gonna jinx it now. It's already jinxed. All right, let's do another one. So, okay, so let's do another one. So we have, so this is quiz 2. So do quiz 2. I sent in quiz 1 and quiz 2. If you already did quiz 1, you don't have to do quiz 1 again. But do quiz 2. Once you started, put started inside the chat. Again, once you started, put started inside the chat for me. This is quiz 2. So everyone should be doing either quiz 1 or quiz 2. All right. Let's see quiz 2. What quiz 2 is about? Understanding ratio fundamentals. Let's see. Oh. Oh boy. Oh boy. I hope you all do well on this one. All right, so, okay. Understanding ratio fundamentals, I see. So we have, let me check the grades on this one. Again, once you started that quiz, please put started inside the chat. Again, once you start that quiz, please put started in the chat. And go ahead and do that. The lowest you can get is 4 to 5. If you get anything lower than 4 to 5, I mean, not 4 to 5, 8 out of 10. So if you get anything less than 8 out of 10, you have to redo the quiz. So let's see. Dabanik. So we have Shannon, very good Shannon, very good Dabanik. Alexia Fowler, please redo the quiz. Cleveland, very good. Logan, very good. Layla Sweden, very good. Kamara Knowles, very good. Dorcio. Very good. Very good, Dorcio. Read the quiz quick carefully so you can be able to get it. Tyler, redo your quiz, please. China, very good. Deshaun Gardner, very good.
I get some of them and I get 10 out of 10.
Okay, that's good. Zenea McIntosh, very good. Ethan, excellent job. Zenea, very good. Reagan, how? I give you all one thing on ratio fundamentals.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit. If you get an 8 out of 10, you have to do it all.
No, 8 out of 10, you don't have to do it all.
I didn't see all the questions. I only saw 2.
You only saw 2? Oh, okay, you didn't. Okay.
You could send it again, please.
It's still in the chat. It's still in the chat. It's only 2 quizzes. So let me
It's on
resend.
screen.
Say it again. Okay, where is someone asked me to send it again. Okay, let me send it again. All right, good. So let me send it again. So let's go ahead and wait. It's not pasted. It didn't copy. So I'm gonna send quiz 1 and quiz 2 again. If you haven't done them, go ahead and do them. And then I'm also gonna send quiz 3. All right, I'm gonna send quiz 3. So I'm gonna send quiz 1 again. I'm gonna send quiz 2 again, and I'm gonna add quiz 3. If you're starting quiz 3, put started inside the chat. If you're starting quiz 3, put started inside the chat. Also, when you finish with the quiz, take a screenshot of your grade and send it to me via WhatsApp. A lot of people don't do that. Only Shannon is do that. Shannon, who else? Shannon does that.
I does it sometimes.
Me too.
Lakeisha does it.
I do
Oh,
it.
Mr.
I do
Petit.
it occasionally.
Who else
I
is
does
do
it,
that?
Mr. Petit. Name is Petit.
Lexia. Yeah.
Some people.
Mr. Petit, I get 10 out of 10 on all 2 so far, but
On all
I
2 so
didn't
far.
get the screenshot.
That's fine. That's no. I can see your grade, but do that for the 3rd one, right?
All right.
Moving
So,
forward, do it for the 3rd one. All right. So take a screenshot of your grade. All right. So let me see this 3rd one. Okay. So how the 2nd one going? Reagan Joseph. You have to redo it again.
Mr. Petit, I did it. This is the second time I do it. And you know what the problem was?
What it was?
My computer and let me click it, like click the one I supposed to select, because I selecting the right answers, but it ain't like actually selecting it.
That
I
has
don't know.
happened. That has happened. So you may want to send the link to your phone because that happens. That's true. It's annoying. It's like funny. It has picked the wrong one. All right. So if you're done with quiz 1, move on to quiz 2. If you finish with quiz 2, move on to quiz 3. If you finish with quiz 3, take a screenshot of your grade and send it to me via WhatsApp. Right? Let me check quiz 3 grades. I haven't checked those yet. Okay. Let's check quiz 3 grades. See how y'all looking with that. So, oh, real world scenarios. Oh. Oh boy, this could take y'all a while. I don't even know if I should do quiz 4. All right, so quiz 3. I would really like to see how y'all did in quiz 3 because quiz 3 is interesting. Quiz 3 is like straight up word problems. Just strictly word problems. Let me see how y'all did on them. Quiz 3 is calculations. I'm surprised I did it like that. All right, so
May I be excused?
okay, yeah, y'all got them right. Yeah, you got. Very good, Deshaun. Deshaun was the first one. Very good, Deshaun. Very good, China. Very good, Davini. Very good, Logan. Very good, Jamari. Okay, y'all getting them. I thought y'all would like get them so fast. Very good. Very good, Kalia Johnson. Very good. Deshaun, you just arrived. How come you getting them so quickly?
Pardon?
I said you just arrived. How come you getting it so quickly?
I go on with BSO for the learning class.
Based on what you learned in class. Okay. So you already
Yes,
did
sir.
this topic, I imagine.
Yes, sir. A little while back.
Okay, that's good. All right, so those are the 3 quizzes. Should I give you all a 4th one?
No, sir.
Everyone is quiet. What
Yes,
if I don't have a what if I don't have a 4th one?
That would be a blessing.
That would be a blessing, right? What if I don't have a 4th one?
I know you do because you have it on the screen.
Yeah,
I have
that's
it on
what
the
I'm saying.
screen.
Right on the screen.
Who knows? That might
That's what
just
I
be
was
a
trying to tell you, but
that might just be
Could
a
be AI.
that might be a yeah, could be. Who knows?
I don't think so. AI is not that advanced.
Y'all haven't seen my face before, so I could be AI too.
You sure?
Yeah, I could be
I
AI.
would believe that.
You could believe that, right?
No, you're black.
I seen your face before.
No, you're black and you wear red and blue headphones.
Mr. Petit, I seen your face before.
You seen my face before?
Yes,
I
sir.
never seen it.
Really?
AI generated.
AI.
All I know is I handsome.
Wow. All right, y'all two are quiet. Let me give y'all the 4th quiz. So the 4th quiz coming up.
Oh,
Once you started it, please put started in the chat. Again, once you started it, please put started in the chat. All right.
another real world scenario?
Yeah, real world scenario. We gotta get y'all that. Okay, so let me check the quiz grades. All this talking, let me see how y'all doing on the grades. Remember, for these, you have to get at least 80%. So Marissa Gardner, please redo the first quiz. Marvin, very good. Latavia, very good. Marvin, redo the second quiz. Very good, Kaden. Very good.
I
Rachel.
saw what I got on the second test and I did redo it.
You did redo it? Yes, you did. You did. You got a 10 out of 10. That's correct. Very
Mr.
good,
Petit, did
Dion.
you
Very
get
good.
a grade for the 3rd quiz?
Yeah, you got 10 out of 12 out of 12. Yeah. Quentin Sands, please redo the 3rd quiz. Quentin. It's a nice name. Zania, please redo. No, very good job, Zania. Very good job, Lakesia. And anyone who I missed, still very good job. Ethan A. Where's
Mr.
Ethan A?
Petit, does
Where's
that
he?
say 581 slides?
Slides? 581 slides. Talking about. Oh yeah, that's fine. That's no problem. That happens. Ethan A, can you hear me? Where's he? Yesterday with the Kahoot. You didn't
Oh,
win?
boy.
Where's Ethan? Yesterday with the Kahoot. You didn't win? You could easily win, man. What happened?
It
was like
Say it again?
it was the Wi-Fi.
The Wi-Fi. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes,
because you gotta be quick. So the Wi-Fi laggy then. That's a disadvantage. That's fine. So hopefully the next time, hopefully you have better Wi-Fi. Switch over to BTC.
I
Or
only got like 3 or
BTC,
4
that
wrong.
disconnected you
Okay,
like
that's
3
good.
times last term.
Say it again?
That disconnected you like 3 times last term.
Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. All right. So let's check. Let me check y'all with quiz 4. Let's check quiz 4
I
grades.
get the 3rd place and I was on BTC.
You got 3rd place and you're on
I think. I know my phone is BTC, but
And
I
I
think.
get first place and I'm alive.
You're on the live. Oh, so it's the live. Okay, that's a trick. Okay.
I got Verizon Wi-Fi, so.
Okay.
And in Abaco, up north, alive is be down, like far north too. Yeah.
How about Starlink?
I think Starlink is working.
Starlink
Because
is
it's
really
really
cool
quick.
right now.
Yeah,
I have a Starlink, and they would have come up with the next one.
yeah, Starlink with Elon Musk. Yeah.
The next They one for they your phone they where got you a can lot of Wi-Fi
how-
everywhere. They got a lot of people on it though. So
Explain to me how our office have Starlink set up. Well, I see like it like off the side of the wall,
Mm-hmm.
but the computer lab didn't have Wi-Fi today.
I don't know. I don't know. I've never used Starlink, so I can't tell you.
It definitely works as like 5G.
Really?
It has
Starlink there, good
its
angle
own
daddy.
website and
It
everything.
works. It works.
I feel like
Yes,
it's
sir.
only a solar panel.
It have to be-
It's like
Or
that's what
it could also be like portable. Like when the other day when I went to a special church service, the
Uh-huh.
people had it there because I think they were filming and doing it
Okay.
live.
That's
Mr.
pretty
Petit,
cool if it's portable. Yes.
I highly recommend it.
You highly recommend it. Okay, I'll take it from
Yes,
you,
sir.
Deshaun. All right, so fourth quiz. If you finish with all the quizzes, put a 1 in the chat. If you finish with all the quizzes, put a 1 in the chat. If you got 100 on at least one of the quiz, put a 1 in the chat. Let's see. If you finish with all the quizzes, put 1 in the chat. If you got 100 on at least one, put 1 in the chat. Okay, so that's that. It's currently 7:22, so be done with the quizzes. Let's move on from that to, unless you're still working on the quiz. Who's still working on the quizzes? Who's still working? How many of you are still
I'm
working
on the last one.
on the last
I
one?
still
Okay.
working.
Last
Okay.
one.
I'm on the last one.
Okay, we're gonna
I'm
give
on
you
the
all,
last one.
we're gonna give you all 1 more minute, and then we're gonna move. Right? Very good, Karen. Very good, Acacia Rule. Very good, Renique Wood. I still at work. Okay, that's no problem. All right, so now what we need to do now is we need to, okay, cool. All right, good. All right, so we have time, so let's go ahead and do these. So what I want to do now is I want us to look at another ratio problem. But for this one, you have to pay very close attention to this one. So, okay, good. Okay, cool. So this is example number 3. So let's move on from the quizzes and let's go on to example number 3. How many of you drink coffee?
I do.
I do.
Me.
Not really a coffee guy.
Not really a coffee guy. Right.
I don't really. I'm not very coffee.
From Starbucks or like from like another place?
I make my own coffee.
Starbucks.
You make your own
I've never
coffee.
been to
Yeah.
Starbucks.
I don't
Starbucks.
like Starbucks like that.
All right. What's your
I
favorite
like
time?
coffee.
What's your favorite time if you drink them?
Mornings
it's
or
a
late at night.
Morning
Frappuccino.
who?
Literally
Caramel frappuccino, a white chocolate frappuccino, a cookies and cream with
Y'all love that? Y'all love that?
frappuccino,
Yeah, the
or
cookies and cream
iced
is really
coffee
good.
caramel.
Y'all love that in Apico?
We have it, but it's like one store.
Okay, it's
Well,
one store.
not one store, but like kind of one store that I know of.
that you know of. Okay, that's Starbucks or that's like a regular place.
It's not Starbucks. It's like a regular place.
They're in the back of another store.
We don't have nothing in Exuma.
I see. Well, I'm not in Exuma. All right. All right. So, that's funny. Who said that?
We got nothing on Grand Bahama.
Andre.
Andre. Okay.
Who don't got none
Uncle
on Grand Bahama? Y'all
Uncle
got done it.
All right. All right. All right. That's enough. That's enough. All right. So let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and do this question. So we can talk. We can talk about coffee.
I never gonna mention my island.
Yeah. That. So let's talk about Starbucks. So for those who don't know, Starbucks is a
Yes,
place that
Betty.
sells coffee. And other things, right? But we're talking about that we're focusing on their coffee for this evening. Starbucks prepares. Go ahead. What's the name? Travis, are you there? There's Travis. Travis Aquel. Travis Aquel, can you hear me? There's Travis. Can't really hear from Travis. So we're gonna go to Malik. Where's Malik? Travis, can you hear me? Where's Travis? Can't read that from Travis. So let's go to Malik. Malik, can you hear me? Can't hear from Malik. And
No, sir, I'm here. No, sir, I'm here. I'm here, sir. I'm here,
okay,
sir.
go ahead and read that for me.
Example number 3. Starbucks prepares a blend of coffee containing Arabica beans and Brazil beans in the ratio 4:3.
Very good. And where's Ranika? Ranika, read this question for me.
Starbucks prepares a blend of coffee containing Arabic beans and Brazil beans in the ratio 4:3.
Very good. So we have Starbucks, they have a blend of coffee. It has 2 types of beans, Arabica beans and Brazil beans. How many equal parts does the Arabica beans have?
4.
4.
So Arabica beans carries how many equal parts?
4.
4 equal parts, very good. And the Brazil beans is how many equal parts? 3 equal parts, right? So just bear that in mind because that is helpful for answering these questions, right? Ricardo Leiden, read the question for me as well.
Starbucks prepare a blending of coffee containing what's that word? The A word?
Arabica.
The next side.
Beans.
The Arabica beans and Brazil beans in a ratio 4:3.
Very good. In the ratio of 4:3. Good. So my question is, right? Calculate the weight of Arabica beans. Now this is interesting. So y'all gotta be careful, right? So one step at a time. Calculate the weight of Arabica beans in the blend of 455 grams. So calculate the weight of Arabica beans in a blend of containing 455 grams. This is an interesting question. It's not as straightforward as y'all may think, but math is easy, not hard. So we're gonna take our time and do it with confidence. But I wanna know how we're gonna get the weight of Arabica beans. So this first thing we're gonna do.
You gotta add 4 plus 3, then divide the weight of it.
Okay. Anyone else?
By 455.
Say it again.
Divide by 455.
Divide what by 455?
You add 4
Right,
plus
add
3,
4 plus
and you
3,
get
then
7,
divide 455.
and divide 455 by 7.
Very good. Very good. Because they say the weight of Arabica beans in a blend. Now, the blend means that it's going to contain what? Both of them, right? That's very important to remember. The blend means it's going to contain both of them. So that means that Arabica and Brazil, that means you have to add the 2 ratios. So let's go ahead and add. So 4 plus 3, we should know that by hand. Sorry, by memory. 4 plus 3. Go ahead.
Can I use the bathroom, please?
Yes, we can. So 4 plus 3 gives us what? Gives us
7.
7.
7.
7. Very good. Zania McIntosh, do you understand this so far?
Yes, sir.
What did we do so far, Zania?
So far, you calculate the equal part of the ratio, which is 4 plus 3 is equal to 7.
Very good. So what's the next thing we're gonna do?
455 divided by 7.
Say it again.
455 divided by 7.
Very good. So we're gonna find what? Tell me what we're gonna find. We're gonna find what?
The weight of the beans.
1 equal what?
The weight of the Arabica beans.
1 equal what? What do we need to find? 1 equal
Part.
1 equal part. Very good. So we have to find 1 equal part. Renique Wood. Where's Renique Wood? Can you hear me, Renique?
Yes, sir.
Our goal is to find what is 1 equal part. How are we gonna find how we're gonna find 1 equal part? What are we gonna do? Renique? Do you know or you need me to help you? There's Renique Wood. Renique, can you hear me? Can't really hear from Renique. So we're gonna go to Reagan Major. Where's Reagan?
Me?
Yes. So how are we gonna find 1 equal part?
By dividing 455 by 7.
Very good. So we add 4 plus 3. So we add 4 plus 3. Let me move this. We add 4 plus 3. And we know that 4 plus 3 gives us 7. Right? And so 1 equal part is going to be 455 divided by 7.
7. Mr. Petit, I know the answer.
What's your answers?
67.
67?
Yes, sir.
You say that so confidently. What have you wrong?
LOL.
I got the answer.
What have you
I
wrong?
got 75.
What you get?
75.
75. I like these answers. What else y'all get?
I got 65.
You got 65. So we have 65, we have 67, we have 65, we have 75.
I got 65.
It's 65.
You're 65? But you said it so confidently.
It's 65.
65. Y'all gonna go 65.
I
All
wanted
right.
to do the joke. I wanted to do the joke.
It's like a joke. Yeah, yeah. All right. Okay. Good joke.
So it's basically like 7 joke.
Say it again, Tyler.
So it's basically like a 6-7 joke.
Gosh. No, it's not.
Oh I hate that.
Oh, that's what he was trying to do for real. Oh, he was trying to do that.
Yes. You didn't notice that?
No, I did not. Silly me. All right. Silly
So
rabbit.
quirky.
Tricks of the kids. All right, so y'all know that commercial? Y'all probably too young for that commercial.
I feel bad for the Tricks Rabbit.
What
Yeah,
commercial? Oh, the tricks are yeah.
Yeah. All right, how many times does 7 go into 45?
6 times.
6 times. Very good.
6, maybe 7.
6, 7?
7 times 6 is what? Can't stand y'all. 7 times 6 is what?
The big 26 is crazy.
42.
The grand and 26.
Let me just answer the.
All right, so it's gonna be what? 5 minus 2 is what?
3.
3. Very good. And then 4 minus 4 is 0. We bring down the 5. How many times does 7 go into 35?
5 times.
5 times. Very good. And so it's going to be 35 minus 35. 5 minus 5 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. And so what we have is we have 455 divided by 7, which gives us 1 equal part, and 1 equal part is 65 grams. So that's 1 equal part, but is that the weight of the Arabica beans?
No, sir. You have to times it by 4.
You have to times it by
You
4.
have the
Very,
time.
very good. We have to times it by 4 because Arabica beans accounts for 4 equal parts, right? So it's gonna be Arabica beans. Arabica beans is gonna be 4 times 65. When y'all multiply 4 times 65, what do y'all get?
260.
260.
260. Very good. So for us, in order for us to get the weight of the Arabica beans, very good, Renika. In order for us to get the weight of the Arabica beans, we have to do what? Multiply what? 4 times 65. So 65 times 4. Four times 5 is 20. Put the 0 down. Put the 2 above. 4 times 6 is what?
24.
4 times 6 is 24 plus 2. 24, 25, 26. So it's going to be 260.
60.
Very good. So it's going to be the weight of Arabica beans is going to be 260 grams. Any questions on that? It's going to be 260 grams. All right, good. Next. Great. So now part B. Now part B is where y'all have to put your thinking caps on. And I know you already had it on, so you gotta put another set of thinking caps on. So how many persons think they can get it no matter what? Mr. Petit, I don't really. I think I can easily get that.
I'll get it.
You get it? Okay. Well, let's see. So calculate the weight of the Brazil beans in the blend of 455 grams.
I got the answer.
What?
I got the answer.
How?
65 times 3, which is 195 grams.
Very good. Very good. So what you did is you did what? You know that Brazil beans, how many equal parts is Brazil beans? Brazil beans is 3 equal parts, right? So that's Brazil beans. Brazil beans is 3 equal parts. So Brazil beans is 3 equal parts. And we know that 1 equal part is how many? Or how much? 1 equal part is 65 grams. So all we need to do is do what? 3 times 65 grams, which gives us what? 3 times 65 gives us
195.
195.
195.
195. Okay. So that's gonna be 3 times 65. So Brazil beans is going to be 3 times 65, which gives us 195. All right. So that's how we did that. So far, so good, everyone. Let me know.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. So I lost no one yet, right? Tyler, you good?
Yes, sir.
Good. Nehemiah, do you understand this? Nehemiah Davis.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You sure, or are you lost?
Yes, sir. I sure.
You understand? That's good. Are you writing this down, or are you just looking at the stream?
I read right now.
That's good. And Nalia, where's Nalia? Nalia, you there?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions for me?
No, sir. I understand.
You understand so far? That's good.
Yes, Miss Boutique.
Go ahead, Keenan.
I just like to say, back in my day, we ain't had all of these Arabica and Brazil beans. All we used to do is
Was you
get the
just
bean
born like
from
yesterday,
the
boy?
plant and just start chewing.
Let him speak. You let him speak. What happened to you? He was addressing me. Keenan. Don't worry about that. All right. Okay, so now for part C.
Welcome to Brazil.
That's what it is. I'm sure someone in there have been to Brazil. Y'all ever been to Brazil, right? Right there in the South America.
No, I've been to Brazil
A
before.
friend
No,
who
sir.
has been
I
there has
agree.
been
I've
buying
never been to
glass.
Brazil.
Yeah, Brazil, right off the,
In
right in
Brazil.
the Gulf of. The Brazil is right in the Gulf of America.
Of America?
Gulf of Mexico.
There's no such thing as the Gulf of Mexico anymore. That's no longer a thing. It's the Gulf of America.
Pt.
Say it again.
Excuse me, Miss.
Go ahead, Tara. Tyler.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how psycho is Brazil being?
Oh gosh. Next question.
Zygotic out of 10.
Next question. Since you want to talk about that, read this question for me. Part C. Okay, part C. Really, for part C, you have to put on your thinking caps. If you all get part C, I will be shocked. Right? Go ahead, Tyler.
Starbucks has placed an order of 150 kilograms of Brazil beans. Calculate the weight of
Arabica beans.
Arabica beans to be ordered to make their blend.
Very good. So for this question, I would like you all to think about it. People like Logan, Davani, and China, and Chai, and Ethan A, and Ethan F, and Reagan, and Nikisha, and Karen. Yeah, I need y'all to answer. We have Starbucks has placed an order of 150 kilograms of Brazil beans, right? Calculate the weight of Arabica beans to be ordered to make their blend. And
I
now
was thinking 3, but I got that wrong.
And everybody quiet now.
I'm putting on my thinking cap.
Put on your thinking cap. Okay, good. No problem. Nothing wrong with that. Where are my people? Where's Malia Roll? Where's Latavia?
I got a lock.
Where's China? Where's Chai? Where is Reagan? Where is Karen? Where's Kanan? Where's Davani?
Yo, Mr. C,
Oh Lord.
excuse me. I think I know what to do.
Okay,
right.
okay. Let's go.
All right. Let me cook. Right? You have to add 150 with the answer for number 1. Because I'm thinking you have to
I
add
think I know what to do.
150
Wait,
with
give him a
600
chance.
260.
So what's your final answer? Or you just
No,
giving
I
me
just
like a roadmap?
saying. I just
do
saying.
it and give me a final answer. Do it and give me a final answer.
I didn't have a final answer.
Okay, give me a final answer, Andrew.
Is it 410,000? Wait.
What?
I get 200.
Wait, give him a chance.
Is it supposed to be in kilograms or grams? I'm just asking.
It could be in kilograms.
Okay, I think I know some.
Give him a chance, Ethan. Andrew, you finished?
I finished.
No, he could go. I just was asking.
He says asking, okay. Go ahead. Next person, wanna try?
Me.
All right.
9,950.
9,000 what?
750.
9,750. That's a good try.
I get 200 kilograms.
Reagan,
I have the steps.
who got 200?
Me.
I also got 200.
Reagan, Kanan, and who else?
Me too.
Alphanate.
I
And
can explain
Alphanate.
it, please.
Okay. I would like to hear how they got it, Kanan. You've been talking.
Okay.
One second, Ray. Kanan. Kanan, what's the word we learned yesterday for talkative?
How dare you?
I know.
I thought I was Zygo.
So garrulous.
Garrulous. That's in jest, Kanan. That's in jest.
I just was looking at my book.
That's in jest, okay? All right, so go ahead,
I'm not
Alphany.
tentative.
Oh, gosh.
Divide.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I read the question.
Divide 150 by 3
Okay, good.
and get 50 kilograms.
Uh-huh.
Then I did 4 by 50,
Mm-hmm.
which
Why
I
did you?
got
That's a very. By the way, what you did is absolutely correct. I want to know why you divided by 3, though. What caused you to say, let me divide it by 3?
the 3 because in the question it said the Brazil beans weigh
Mm-hmm.
3 times 65. So I was just like testing out some things and like
Okay, you're right. She's right. Because because how many equal parts is for Brazil beans? How many equal parts does Brazil bean account for?
3.
Brazil bean accounts for how many equal parts? 3, right?
3.
3, right? So if Brazil accounts for 3 equal parts, if they tell you that, hey, you have 150 kilograms of Brazil beans, then, and you know that Brazil beans is 3 equal parts, then how many equal parts, or how much equal parts would it be for 1 equal part? If you know that Brazil beans is 3 equal parts, and Brazil beans, you have 150 of those Brazil beans. So all you need to do is divide, right? Because you need to figure out what is for 1, right? So remember, for this one, it's different. You can't add. You can't add. The reason why you can't add is because they didn't say in the blend, right? They didn't say in the blend. They say Starbucks was placed an order of 150 kilograms of Brazil beans. We're only talking about Brazil beans at this point. We're not talking about the blend, all right? So that's why we have to take 150 and divide it by 3. That's the first order of business we're gonna do. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're gonna say, hey, where are we? We're gonna say what? 1 equal part. So 1 equal part here is gonna be what? How are we gonna get 1 equal part for this question? 1 equal part is gonna be what? 150 kilograms divided by what?
3.
3. Very good. Do y'all understand why we divide it by 3?
Yes, sir.
Why are we dividing it by 3? Why are we dividing it by 3?
Because 3 is the amount of Brazil beans.
Very good, because 3 is the number of equal parts for Brazil beans. So 150 kilograms divided by 3 is 50. Good. Now we need to figure out, if we know what 1 equal part is, then we need to figure out the amount for Brazil beans. No, not Brazil beans. We need to figure out the amount of Arabica beans. So if we know that 1 equal part is 50 kilograms for this one, how are we going to figure out Arabica beans? What we have to do? Arabica beans is going to be what? Arabica beans is going to be what?
150 divided by 4?
No. We already have 1 equal part. So, and we know that Arabica beans, not divided, just using the wrong operation. Not divided. Kevin, if you don't understand, I can explain it again, Kevin. How are we going to get Arabica beans? We're going to do what? Y'all so quiet. Y'all don't know how you're going to get Arabica beans.
50 times 4.
50 times, yeah.
50 times 4. Very good.
50 times 4.
50 times 4. So why was so scared to say that? I was scared you're going to be wrong? Or what?
Yes.
Probably.
Oh, probably. Oh, wow.
I was waiting for that.
He was waiting for that. Yeah.
I was
Yeah, I
waiting.
was waiting for Logan them to say the answer, then I was like, yeah, I just couldn't.
All right. All right. All right, so let me do 4 times 50, which gives us 200. So let me repeat how we got Starbucks, right? So with Starbucks, the way we did it is we said, hey, listen, 1 equal part. And this is for Kevin. I think Kevin said that she didn't understand. So I'm gonna explain it again for her. And for the rest of us who may not have understood this, right? So so remember, whenever you're signing in, please sign in with your right name, because if you sign in with a wrong name, I'm not gonna be able to let you in. Not let you in, but let the mic be unmuted. Right? So we have 1 equal part. 1 equal part is gonna be 150 divided by 3. Now you say, Mr. Petit, why is it 150 divided by 3? Why didn't we like add it first? Or why we just didn't keep this 1 equal part? The reason is that we have, for part C, we have to figure out a new 1 equal part because we got some more information. The information that we got is that Starbucks placed an order of 150 kilograms of Brazil beans. Only of Brazil beans. This is not talking about the blend of them. It's only talking about Brazil beans. We know that Brazil beans is 3 equal parts. That's what we know. How do we know that Brazil beans is 3 equal parts? Because right in the question tells us that Brazil beans, right? Brazil beans is 3 equal parts. So that means that 3 equal parts, 3 equal parts, 3 equal parts is equal to 150 kilograms. So think about it. If 3 equal parts is equal to 150, right? How am I gonna figure what is 1 equal part? If I know that 3 equal parts is 150, how am I gonna find 1 equal part? All I have to do is what? Multiply or divide?
Divide.
Divide.
Divided by 3.
Very good. Divide 150 by 3. Right? Because I want to share that. I want to share 150 into 3 equal parts. And that's what division does. Division shares. It shares the number evenly or equally, right? So it's gonna be 50. And that's why the first thing we did is we figure out what is 1 equal part. And we did that by dividing 150 by 3. Now that we have what is 1 equal part, which is 50 in our case, we need to find the weight of Arabica beans. And the way that we're gonna do that is we're gonna say, okay, Arabica beans is how many equal parts? We learned from the first part, Arabica beans is 4 equal parts. So since Arabica beans is 4 equal parts, and we know that 1 equal part is 50, all we need to do is do 4 times 50, and that gives us 200. And that is how we do that. Do y'all understand this? Let me know if y'all understand this. I'll get it. Do y'all understand this? Let me know, please.
I understand.
Understand? China, do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Chai, do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And Ethan A, do you understand this?
As well.
That's good. All right, good. All right, so go ahead and take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. I need everyone to go ahead and do that. All right, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. All right, so let's go ahead and do we have time for one more? Or we have like 4 more minutes? All right, so let me go ahead and clear my screen for you. No problem. All right, good. So since we only have like 4 more minutes left, I want y'all to do a quick simplification. So let's do that before we move on to health, not to health, social studies and other studies. So I'm gonna give you the question and you're gonna put the correct answer in the chat. Obviously, top 10 will be recognized, right? So
Are we gonna write it down?
no, you don't have to write it down. Just put your answers at the chat. So I want you to write in lowest terms 20 to 32, write that in lowest terms and put your answer at the chat. Again, top 10 will be recognized, and also 56 to 72, write it inside the chat. Put your answer as 1, please. Put your answer as 1, not as 2. Put your answer as 1.
What do you
Can we
mean
write
as
what's on the
one?
screen down?
Say it again.
What do you mean as one?
Like, put it in one message. Don't send it separately.
I accidentally sent it separately.
That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Again,
Can you repeat the question?
put it. It's in the chat. It's in the chat. It's in the chat.
We doing both, right?
You're doing both.
Can we
Yes.
write this down?
You're doing, yeah. No, you don't write it down. Just put your answers at the chat. You may want to write it down for your working, but you don't have to.
I send mine.
Good.
I send mine.
No problem. All right, let's see. So for the first one, for number 1, do love for number 1. Do love what? Number 1, what you love? For the first for
5A.
I think what that's part A. Yeah,
5
part
over
A. We fill
8.
up for part A. 5 what?
Over 8.
5 over 8.
5 8. 5 8. Okay. And what you love for the second one?
7 over
7
9.
over
7 over
9.
9.
7 9.
7 to
Yeah,
9.
7 9. All right. So let me just show it. So those answers are correct. So for that one, I use 4. So I divide both of them by 4. I get 5 and 8. So 20 divided by 4 is 5, and
I
32
use
divided
4
by
too.
4 is 8. Yeah. And then for the second one, I used 8. So 56 divided by 8 is 7, and 72 divided by 8 is 9. Top 15 or top 10? Should we do?
Top 10.
Top 10?
15.
Top 15, I
Top
guess
10.
top 15. All right, so that would be, I'm talking about only correct answers now. Only correct answers. So first one was, and it has to be all two of the answers. First one was Nalia. Very good, Nalia. Second was Kevinique. Very good, Kevinique. Then Deshawn. Then China. Then Alphanique. Then Reagan. Then Kevinique. Then Andre Forbes. Then Shannon Smith. Then Davinique. Then Kanan. Then Andrew. Then Karen. Then Keyshawn. Then Ethan A. And that is your top 15. Very good, everyone. Very good. You all did pretty well. Pretty well. Okay, so we're gonna move on to social studies and religious studies. If you're not doing social studies or religious studies, kindly say goodnight in the chat, and I will see you all on on next week. But for those of us who are doing social studies and religious studies, we have to stay back, right?
Night.
Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night.
Good night.
Good night. Good night. No, for those of you who are leaving, just say goodnight in the chat. Just say goodnight in the chat.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Go ahead.
Can I use the restroom, please?
Yes, you can, Tyler. Okay, so all right, so let's move on. All right. All right, so we're gonna move on to we're gonna move on to social studies. All right. All right. Let's move on to social studies. Social studies and then religious studies. Again, social studies and then religious studies. So first of all, for social studies, the last thing we were talking about was what? I want to remember for social studies. Let's go ahead and go ahead. The illusion adventures, very good. So you're talking about the illusion adventures. Let me go ahead and y'all can still see my screen, right? So the setup today is Thursday, the 22nd of January, 2026. The subject is, of course, social studies. And the topic is.
What about your name?
My name, thank you. My name is Mr. Petit. All right, so. So we was looking at the Lutheran Adventists. We basically talking about how they began, talking about why they left. I have a quick question for y'all. Where were the Lutheran Adventists originally from?
Bermuda.
Bermuda. Very good, Bermuda. Very good. Why did they leave Bermuda?
They want
They
to
were
see the
seeking religious freedom.
Very good. They were seeking religious freedom. What was the name of the established church in Bermuda? The established English church in Bermuda.
The Anglican Church.
The Anglican Church. Very good. Anglican Church. Why was life in Bermuda good but yet bad? Let's talk about the good first.
It was beautiful and well positioned off the North American coast.
Very good. It was beautiful and it was well positioned. But what made it bad?
The agricultural land was bad.
Very good. The agricultural land was not good. And what else?
They were able to be in the religious stuff.
There was a civil war going on.
They were not able to worship freely, right? They were not able to worship in the way that they needed to worship or they wanted to worship or they felt compelled by their conscience to worship, right? So my question is, before they were called the Lutheran Adventures, what was their name?
The Puritans.
The Puritans, very good. The Puritans. 1600s, 1700s, 1800s, or 1900s. Where would the Lutheran Adventures lie in that whole thing?
1700s.
What?
1700s.
Would y'all say?
1800s.
18, some people say 1800s, some people say
I thought it was 16.
some people say
1700.
1900s, some people say 1700s. What is it? 16. It's definitely the 1600s. All right.
Thank you.
Definitely the 1600s. All right. So now, who was their captain?
William Sale.
William Sale. Very good. And who was he? He was what?
He was an
An
ex-governor of
ex-captain.
Bermuda.
Very good. He was ex-governor of Bermuda. Very good. So this is gonna be Lutheran Adventures Part 2. Okay, so let's begin. All right, so to help, let's go write this down. To help, oh gosh. I don't know what happened now. Wait, 1 second. Let's do this like this. To help, wait a minute. 1 second, let me move this. Good. To help find them a new home. When we say them, we're talking about the Lutheran Adventures. The Puritans sought the guidance of Captain William Sale, an ex-governor of Bermuda. He and his followers decided he and his followers decided to try the empty English outposts of the Bahamas. As their religious haven. When we say haven, what do we mean by a haven?
Safe place. Safe place.
A safe place, a refuge, right? Good. When they say religious haven, what do they mean?
A safe place to worship.
Very good, a safe place that they could worship, right? So in the Bahamas, they felt that they could be able to worship freely. So that's why they selected the Bahamas, one reason. Some people in Bermuda had already been there for fishing, salt, and wrecking. The islands were unoccupied, and so settling there would not cause conflict. The Bahamas was also well located, being so close to important trade routes. The settlers would be able to trade with both Bermuda and the North American colonies. So there are many reasons why they selected the Bahamas. What are some reasons why they selected the Bahamas as the place
It
that they want?
was
It
located
was a
next to
safe
trade
haven.
routes.
Well, what's the main reason? Let's start off with the main reason.
It was a safe haven.
Location?
It was the main reason why they chose
Worship.
Oh,
It was a
It's a
safe
safe place
haven.
to worship.
It was very good. It was a safe haven for religious freedom. It was a safe place to worship. Very good. That's the main reason, right? Now, give me a next reason.
So that they could grow
They
their
were located next to trade routes.
It was located and next to important trade routes. Very good. What else?
Some people in
They could stop
Bermuda had
fishing.
already been
Islands
there.
were unoccupied and wouldn't cause conflict.
Islands are unoccupied, so it wouldn't cause conflict. Very good. Someone said something, but then
They could stop fishing, getting salt, and wrecking.
very good. Some people had already been there for fishing and salt. All right. It's well located in important trade routes, and they could be able to trade with what? Bermuda and North American colonies, right? So it seemed like a very good choice. Not only could they practice their freedom, their religion freely, but they could also be able to sustain themselves, right? And their families. On a visit, so let's continue. On a visit, on a visit, remove all this, and this. On a visit to England, Sale convinced more Puritans to join them. A company was formed called Company of Adventures. Y'all could finish it. Company of Adventures for the plantation of the islands of Eleuthera. Very good. And they spelled it Eleutheria. And it was later shortened to Eleutheria, the word that we know now. So what do they call themselves? It's a long naming.
Company of adventures for the plantation.
No,
of
no,
uplands.
no. You gotta say it with enthusiasm. They going on a mission. They're filled with
The
zeal.
company of adventurers for the plantation of the islands of Eleutheria.
Okay, it's a good try.
The company of adventurers for the plantation of the islands of Eleutheria.
Very good, very good. Anyone else want to try?
Huzzah!
The company of adventurers for the plantation of the islands of Eleutheria.
Very good. Y'all sound like y'all ready. Good.
Chip, cherry.
Lord.
All right, good. So they're ready. They're ready to go, right? Filled with zeal. They have great motivation because they want to leave that place. They don't want to be persecuted anymore. Now, for their new island,
What does it mean by persecuted?
like persecuted, then they border on them. They're not allowed. They have restrictions. You know, they're being bothered.
Know what you're saying?
Yeah. So a company was formed called a company. Eleutheria comes from a Greek word meaning what? What do you think?
Freedom.
Meaning
Freedom.
Meaning freedom. Very good.
And usually that's what people call the US.
Yeah, the USA and the land of the free. Anyone know the stars? Y'all know the
The Star
song?
Spangled Banner.
Yeah, y'all know that.
Yeah.
Jose,
Oh,
can
did not
you
say-
see?
I did not say.
I don't
I did not say sing it.
know.
Oh, that's so funny. All right, so a constitution was written. And what is the constitution for
A law.
the new colony? What's the constitution? Giving them a basic. It's basically a law, right? Set of laws and principles to live by. Now, by the way, this is the first constitution of the Bahamas. They called it the Articles and blank.
Orders.
Articles and orders. Very good. This was called the Articles and Orders. Now, in their constitution, what you think their constitution is gonna say? If they came running away from not being able to worship freely, what do you think in their constitution they're gonna say?
You can worship freely.
Yes, you can worship freely. Very good.
Imagine you go to worship freely, but then you tell other people they can't worship freely. That'd be so crazy.
Yeah, that would be weird, right? So their constitution says that there was to be freedom of religion, because they're like, we tired of this, and equal justice, government was to be in the form of a republic with a governor, a council, and an elected Senate or Parliament. Each new,
Mr. Pt.2, you spell Luther wrong.
which one? Here?
Yeah, right there. By
And right there?
the yeah,
Oh,
right.
that is
Eleutheria.
yeah, that's the word they call it before they changed it to Luther.
Oh, my bad.
No, you're good, you're good.
Yeah, but the second one is misspelled. It doesn't have the U.
Yes, thank you. So what made this wrong? Eleutheria. Okay, yes, right. All right, so each new settler who contributed £100 would receive 300 acres of land. That's a lot of land. Those who went as servants were to receive 25 acres. These were surprisingly, these were surprisingly new, or like I say, modern rules for the period. Unfortunately, like I say, however, they were not adhered to. Okay, that's the notes. So, quick questions on these. Let me go ahead and stop this and clear. Okay. Let me know if y'all can see the screen now.
I could see it.
Good. Question. Eleuthera comes from a Greek word that means what?
Freedom.
It means freedom. Very good.
Freedom.
Very good. What was their official name? No, what is the name? What is the period in state?
The company of Puritans, sorry.
No, you're right. The company of what?
The company of adventurers for the plantation of the islands of Eleuthera.
Very good. Very good. And why was the Bahamas seen as a good place where they could be?
Because no one was there.
It was a
and no
religious
one was
haven.
in charge,
It was
so
a religious haven.
there can
Very
be
good.
no fights.
Mm-hmm.
And they had, yeah.
Good.
They are close to important routes.
They were close.
It had a good climate and it had good agricultural assets.
Okay, good. Or prospects. That's good. What was the name of the first constitution of the Bahamas?
Articles and orders.
Articles and orders.
Very good. Question. How many acres of land would a servant receive?
25 acres.
25 acres. I said a servant.
25.
Oh, 25.
Yeah, 25. So how many acres of land would someone who pay £100 receive?
300 acres.
300 acres. Good. What is a constitution?
A document that tells you how
It's
you're
a
going
law.
A basic set of laws and
A
principles.
law based on how the country is governed, basically, kind of.
Very good. A law. A law, a set of rules that tells you how you are to operate, right, within a given country. Does the Bahamas have a constitution?
Yes, it does.
Yes, sir.
We do have a constitution. Every nation has every serious nation or sensible nation has a constitution. And the constitution dictates how the citizens are to operate within the country. All right. So what was one of their main thing that they said in the Constitution?
You could worship
Religious
in
freedom.
freedom of religion.
Freedom of
Freedom to
religious worship.
Freedom of
Equal
religion.
justice.
Equal justice. Very good. Why do you think they did that?
What's equal justice?
Like, that means fairly. That means that
everyone,
you have to be
yeah,
treated fairly. So that's,
Oh,
in other words,
equal.
equal
everyone
justice.
get the same thing.
Yeah, treatment, equal treatment. So if
Yeah.
like, so no one is wrongfully detained, no one is wrongfully none, like everything is fair, basically. That's what you're trying to say. All right, are y'all
Yes,
done with the
sir.
notes? Are y'all still ready?
Almost
And the
last
last sentence.
I'm sorry then.
sentence.
Okay. So take a picture of your notes and send it to me via WhatsApp again. Take a picture of your notes and send it to me via WhatsApp. I need everyone to go ahead and do that again. Take a picture of your notes and send it to me via WhatsApp. I need everyone to go ahead and do that for me. Once you finish with that, I'm gonna post a quiz inside the chat, and I want y'all to go ahead and do that for me. Again, once you finish with that, I'm gonna post a quiz in the chat. Go ahead and do the quiz. All right. Someone mic is on. Okay. Okay, good. So this is quiz one. Let me just put social.
Oh, Mr. Petit, I can send my notes now, but my handwriting ain't the prettiest.
That's fine, but
Only-
quickly send it.
only-
Quickly send it. The night is late, so I can understand that. Okay. Again, once you start the quiz, please put started inside the chat. Let me repost the quiz so y'all will be able to access it. Again, once you start the quiz, please put started inside the chat. Right.
Mr. Petit,
But
did you get my quiz?
you didn't see a grade?
No, sir. No, because I
Oh,
clicked off of it on accident.
oh, let me see. I thought it wasn't giving y'all a grade. Y'all responses. Okay.
Mr. Petit, I'm finished.
That's the Shan.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah, Logan got all right. Then Deshaun, all right. Tavanik, all right. Leslie, please redo your quiz. Again, Leslie, please redo your quiz. Antonio Lewis, please redo your quiz. Ethan Finley, please redo your quiz.
Mr. Petit, I finish.
Very good.
Mr. Petit, I got a 10.
Very good, Ethan. I need everyone to do the quiz, please. There's very good, Travis. Very good, Leon Thompson. Very good, Reagan Major. Still, we need more persons to on this quiz. We're gonna move on to religious studies, but I need the rest of us to be doing the quiz. I only see a few persons doing the quiz. Very good, Jamari Evans. Acacia, are you doing the quiz?
Yes, sir.
Good. Ajani, where's Ajani? Ajani, are you doing the quiz? Where's Ajani?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Very good, Leslie. Andre Forbes, are you doing the quiz? Very good, Shannon Smith.
Oh, yes, sir. I'm on the last question now.
Very good, Ashanti Adley. Very good, Chai. Very good, Kalia Johnson. Very good, Dorcia. Very good, Antonio. Lewis. The rest of us, please go ahead and do the quiz. Cleveland, you finish the quiz? No?
Mr. Petit, may I leave?
Mr.
Yes,
Petit,
again.
I still writing down the notes, but I'm so done. Then I'm gonna do the quiz.
Cordell Pratt, are you doing the quiz? Very good, Andre Forbes. Very good, Andre Forbes.
Thank you.
Very good, Kanan. Very good, Renique Wood. So waiting on the rest of us, we have to move on to religious studies. Samaya, are you done with the quiz?
I'm on the last question.
Good. And Alphonic, very good. Merrick Parker, very good. Nehemiah, very good. The rest of us, please quickly do the quiz. We have to move on to religious studies. So last time we did in religious studies, we were talking about miracles. By the way, if you are not doing social studies, you can say goodnight in the chat and you can leave if you're not doing social religious studies. But if you are doing religious studies, then welcome. Okay, so for religious studies, we talked about miracles. We saw miracles. We did introduction to miracles. And we said that in order for a miracle to happen, which we need
Faith.
we need faith. Very good. We need our faith. What are 4 types of miracles? We talked about
Nature miracles,
Nature
Exorcism,
miracles,
exorcism,
miracles,
healing
and
miracles,
resurrections.
Very good.
nature miracles, and healing.
Very good. Very good. So let's talk about it, right? So we're gonna be talking about a nature miracle today, wherein Jesus calms the storm. So let's go ahead and look at that. Cleveland, did you finish your quiz?
Isn't that where you walked on water too?
Hold on, I'm almost finished.
Almost finished. Okay.
And saved John from drowning?
It was the first one wasn't John, but good try.
Sorry.
But that was also a situation where the water was raging, but that's not the same thing that we're gonna be talking about this evening. But it's a water
Peter,
story.
right?
It was Peter. It was Peter who saved from sinking.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit, could you go back to the previous slide, please, so I could take a screenshot?
I can.
Thank you.
No problem. All right, so Now, let's talk about Jesus calms the storm. So, Jesus calms the storm. All right. Can y'all hear me or no? Can y'all hear me, please?
Yes, all good.
Hear me? Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
What is a storm? Start off with definitions. What is a storm? A storm is a what? A disturbance in the atmosphere that usually comes with wind and rain. That's a storm. Then we have the stern. The stern is what? Stern is the back part of the boat, right? And what is faith? Faith is a strong belief in someone or something without proof. So a storm is a disturbance in the atmosphere that usually comes with wind and rain. The stern is the back part of the boat. And obviously faith is a strong belief in someone or something without proof. All right?
You said without proof, right?
Without proof, yes. So after a tiresome day, Jesus and his apostles, his disciples, let's say, were on the lake of Galilee. And they was actually trying to get away from the crowd. Trying to get away from the crowd. Trying to get away from the crowd. During the boat ride, Jesus fell asleep. In the stern of the boat. What is the stern of the boat?
The back of the boat.
That's the back of the boat.
The back of the boat.
The back of the boat. Very good. While Jesus was sleeping, storm arose, and there was a terrible storm. What's the definition of a storm?
A disturbance in the atmosphere that usually comes with wind and rain.
Very good. The disciples were what? How do you think the disciples felt?
Scared.
They were afraid and thought that
It was very turbulent.
very good. That they were what? That they were
going to die.
Going to die.
Very good. We're about to die. They decided to wake Jesus up. Jesus calmly stood up and said what he said. He said what? Peace, be still. And
I know that. Oh.
And what? And what happened to the storm? And the
It
storm stopped. And what?
Calm down.
There was a great what? there was a great calm. Jesus turned to his disciples. And questioned their lack of faith. How do you think the disciples felt? The disciples were what? They were what?
Shocked.
Very good. They were amazed and asked themselves about what type of man Jesus was, that even the winds and the waves obey him. In the story, Jesus performed a what? A nature miracle. In particular, a nature miracle, right? Showcasing his power over what?
Nature.
Over nature, over natural phenomenon. And that is the story. So my question is, how did the disciples feel when there was a huge storm?
They were scared
They
and
were
they
terrified.
They was afraid. They thought that they was gonna die, right? Y'all ever been in a situation like that where it was like rocky?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
There's a boat or a plane?
On the boat. I used to work on the boat.
Who said it's work on the boat?
Andre.
Andre?
Doc Master.
Andre. So Andre, how bad was it?
It was bad because like it was like 10 foot swell, so like the boat wasn't that big, so it was like
Wow.
very rocky.
Wow. It was a day or a night?
It was in the night.
What? What y'all doing?
He was
Did
coming
y'all-
from Long Island.
Okay. Did y'all make it
That's
safe?
the why.
Yes, sir.
Oh wow. Wow. That's terrible, right? But so they were very afraid and they thought that they wasn't gonna make it. So but Jesus was sleeping. He wasn't even like he just calm, just sleeping in the back of the boat. What is the name for the back of the boat?
stern.
The stern.
Stern.
The stern.
stern.
Every time I think stern, I keep saying sternum in my mind.
Keep saying what?
Sternum.
Sternum, yeah, you know what I mean, like in health science, right? So what ended up happening was Jesus performed a miracle. But what type of miracle is this? What type of miracle?
A nature miracle.
A nature miracle. Very good. Nature miracle. And nature miracle showcases his power over nature, over the elements, right? Over the laws of nature. So, okay. So Jesus said some words that caused it to be calm. What was the words that he said that caused things to be calm?
Peace be
Peace
still.
be still.
Peace be still.
Peace be still. Peace be still. Now the disciples, they were dumbfounded and they were like, what? What was their question?
What type of man Jesus was?
Very good. What type of man
They
Jesus
was
was?
asking themselves.
That even what? That even the winds and the waves
Obey him.
obey him. All right, so if you're finished with the notes, are you done with the notes? Are you done with the notes?
No, sir. I am the last
Almost.
paragraph.
Still writing?
Still writing.
Okay. If you're done with the notes, take a picture of them and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, once you're finished with the notes, take a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp. I am also going to put the quiz inside the chat. And once you started the quiz, please put started in the chat. All right. So you have two things that you have to do. you have to send in your notes, and you also have to complete the quiz. All right. So go ahead and take a picture of your notes and send them to me via WhatsApp, and also go ahead and send me your notes. All right. All right. Okay, so go ahead and take a picture of your work and send to me via WhatsApp again.
What was my grade?
Oh, my bad, my bad. I'm sorry. It didn't show your grade, right? So let me
No, sir.
let me correct that. All right, so
Mr. Petit, I just sent my quiz.
okay, so let me tell you your grades because some of you should be able to see it now, but Davinique, Logan, and Andre, y'all sent it already. All y'all got is 10 out of 10. But it didn't show your grade.
I sent it first though.
Yes, you did, Logan. Yes, you did. All right. Take a picture of your work and send to me via WhatsApp and send in your grade. Send in your quiz. If you already take a picture of your grade and you already send me the quiz, that's only like 4 people: Logan, Davinique, Andre, and Kamara. Only those y'all could leave. All right.
Good night, Mr. Petit.
Good night. Good night. Have a wonderful evening.
Good night.
Only those persons who have already finished their quiz and have already done their sending the notes can leave.
Mr. Petit, I do the quiz yet.
That's no problem. You can still do it.
I'm gonna do it now.
That's fine. Patrick, very good, Patrick. Very good, Ashanti. Very good, Kanan. Very good, Jamari. Very good, Ethan Finley.
Thank you.
Good night, Mr. Petit.
Good night. Good night, young man.
Hi, good night, Mr. Petit.
Good night. Very good, Kevin E. Cole. Very good. Good night, Ethan. Very good, Kalea. Very good, Antonio Lewis. Well, doing pretty well. Good night. Good night.
Good night.
Good night. Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night, Mr. Petit. See you Monday.
Good night. Yes, God's willing.
Good night.
Good night. Very good, Dorcia. Very good, Anthony. Very good, Caden. Very good, Caden. Very good, Samaya. Very good, Nehemiah.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night. Good night. Good night, young lady. Alexia, please. Redo your quiz. Isis, please redo your quiz. Very good, Ranique Wood. Very good, Travis as well. Very good, Leslie Mitchell.
Good night.
Good night. Good night. Reagan Major, very good.
Yeah.
Tyler, you have a question for me?
I was asking if you could resend the quiz in the chat.
Yes, I can. Let me do it. Let me go ahead and resend the quiz.
Thank
Both
you.
of them or just religious?
Good night.
Good night.
Both. Can you back to the social studies notes so I could see it, please?
I could do that. So
Thank
let
you.
me, no problem. So, wait.
Good night.
Good night. Good night. So such religious. And the social and the notes are the following. Very good, Alphanique. Very good, Reagan. Y'all doing pretty well. Very good, Isis. Let me go
Good
back.
night, Miss Petite.
Good night, Kanan. So this is the
Hopefully see you next week. Stay safe.
you too, Kanan. All right, so where were we? I lost page. Oh, we were.
Okay, I'm working on the religious knowledge quiz.
Very good, Kanan. All right, so Tyler, this is for you.
I got it.
Very good. Let me go to Rocky. Good.
Good night, Mr. Petit.
Good night,
I
good
have
night.
this. Finish.
Who's that speaking?
Jai.
Very good, Jai.
I'm done too.
Brianna. Let me see.
Yes, sir.
Brianna. Very good, Brianna. Very good. Very good. Have a wonderful evening, Brianna.
Thank
Good
you.
night, Mr. Petit.
Good night, good night, good night, Gracia and Brianna. Very good, Carly C. Um,
See you next week by God's grace.
you too, Cleveland. Very good, Cleveland. See you great as well. Very good, Alexia Paulo. Very good, Tyler. All right, the rest of us quickly finish the quiz and send in your notes.
All right, Miss Fatigue. I finished the
Alright.
quiz.
All right, very good, Alexia. I saw your grade as well.
Good
Good
night.
night.
Good night.
Finish.
Good night. Good night. Good night. All right, so I'm gonna end the class right now. Have a wonderful evening, everyone.